It is raining.
It's gonna start it back again.
It's raining.
You ain't going?
Hi, Mr. Ronnie.
Yeah.
Have fun.
It's a water park. It's gonna be a wet ride today.
You don't have
Yeah? Are you doing it? Well, you better get your butt back here.
Billy?
We still gotta buy your ticket.
if you're above 16 to ride by yourself.
Well, that rules Billy out. Billy, you ride on the
Oh, you have to be a certain height to ride by yourself. 54 inches.
That leaves you out.
Hell, that leaves me out.
And let's see, 58. Yeah, I'm 58 and 3/4.
Are you ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Buckle up, it's the law. Yeah. I love you, boo. If I die, that's right. Love you. Is your life insurance policy paid up?
Yeah, we're good.
All right, we're good.
Thumbs up if you understand the rules and controls.
Board?
Yep. Any questions?
I think we're good.
Yeah, did it? Yep. I said that one curve got
Oh,
me.
that one, it was,
It went through real quick. And I was like, oh.
well, I had to slow, I had to
Upstairs
slow,
you're going.
I had to slow her down because this thing was going rocking in. I was like, oh Lord.
I come
Yeah.
flying forward out of my seat.
I was like, dang, last thing I'm gonna do is lose my phone on this doggone trap. Oh, you're being ridiculous.
The brakes except that one curve, and it's like,
Your granddaughter is psycho.
He's the brakes like more than 100 times.
You scared me, Miss
you're
Elma.
awesome.